Here we have the negative ion blow dryer. You can see it is really nice looking. It's got like a pearly white, which is really pretty. This is going to be your display, which is really impressive. It's got a nice heavy cord and a attached silicone cord keeper, which I always appreciate. So I'm going to turn it on so you can hear it and see the display. That is on the highest setting. So that's the lowest. That's the speed and the highest. So the sound is good. It's pretty quiet. This is your temperature, so that is going to be your cool or no temperature. And then you got the 50th Celsius, 70, 90. So you got 3 temperature settings. So a really impressive display and speed. Here is your attached. These are magnetic attachments. Again, I appreciate that as well. I really like magnetic attachments. This is your condenser. Again, easy to attach, magnetic. I'm going to show you the power because this is powerful. I mean, it was really impressive. So I just kind of, I don't know if you can really tell, but it does have good power and heat. I'm going to turn it all the way up. Let's see if you can see it, but let's see if we can.